I saw the messages.
So now you're spying?
You're cheating on me.
Maybe if you didn't look like this, I wouldn't have to.
I carried your child.
See this girl, flat stomach just 3 months after birth.
I just had a baby, David.
I'm just saying you should try harder.
So this is how you can actually generate your long video. First of all, we are going to be working with ChatGPT for our prompt. You can use Google Gemini, it's even more advanced. So me, I want to work with ChatGPT for a prompt. Okay, so I'll just come here and say I want to generate which makes the wife feel less of herself. Dialogue for each scene. Okay, so this is where I can stop and let's see what we are going to be getting. All right, I'm going to treat this like purple short film script with strong emotional tension, realistic dialogue, and clear scene structure. Those will feel cinematic, raw, and relatable. Title: Mirror of Scars. Emotional, self-worth, betrayal, societal pressure, healing. So blah 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 through the curtain. Time I see David standing from the mirror, showing for just 3 months after birth. Maria, baby David, look at her up. And the baby cries louder. Let me get back. Just saying, you should try harder. He walks out those short camera inside the living room. So this is the story. I think it's even okay for our video, right? So we don't want something that is so bulky. So I feel like this is the best. This is scene one. So I'll go ahead and tell ChatGPT that I want you to generate an images for both scenes so that I could use it to animate and turn it to a video. And this is the images we got from ChatGPT. So we are going to be using those images to create our video, scene by scene. And just remember that this is AI, and always make sure you put that you need consistent character so that AI will not be giving you something different per scene. Do you understand? So you just make sure that you check the script so that you know where each of the images will come up and all of those stuff like that. Okay, so the aim of this video is to teach you how you can make a longer video instead of cutting. So when you come here, you're going to see all these options. In one, in the bedroom, I'll copy from sub. This is AI, and you don't need to copy the entire script so that you not end up getting what is not okay, right? So I just copy and stop at this phone. When we are done with that one, we are going to be coming back to copy another one. Do you understand? Okay, so this is the image that they gave us for scene one. It's still the same thing that we have here. All right, we have here. So I'm just going to go back to my Grok AI. This is it right here. Remember, we are using the pro version. Okay, I'm just going to click on imagine. So when you come here, we are going to click on see all. First of all, we are going to bring in the part one image, which is this one. I'm going to bring it in. So when I bring it in, I'm going to cancel this because the moment you put in your picture, ChatGPT, sorry, Grok AI will start generating image for you, and that is not what you want. Okay, so I'll just click here and type my prompt. Just come here and choose your aspect ratio. Since I'm using it for a YouTube video, I'll just click on 16.9, and you can also generate video of high quality because we are using super crop. You can also, in the normal crop, you can only generate 6 seconds. With this one, you can generate video of 10 seconds. You can also put it in 70 sorry 720 pixel automatically generate video for animated. We don't want that. We want to be pasting our prompt and it generate video for automatically play videos in feed. We don't want that. So I think I'm good with all the setting, and I'm just going to go ahead and bring in my image. All right, animate photos. I'll click here so that I'll bring in the photo I want to animate. I'll choose this one. So when I bring it in, you are going to see make a video. I'm just going to go ahead and paste in the prompt. Remember, we have set the necessary things we need to set here, and I'll just go ahead and start creating video for ourselves. So let's wait while this is generating video for us, and I hope that it just come out perfectly as planned. Okay, I'm so excited right now. Let's wait and see the outcome.
See this girl, flat stomach, just 3 months after birth.
I just had a baby, David.
I'm just saying you should try harder.
So after you have successfully gotten all your scripts, sorry, after you successfully gotten all your videos, so it's now time for you to arrange them properly in CapCut. Generate all the scene because I don't want the video to be very long. Okay, I don't have CapCut here, but I'm going to use my, sorry guys, sleep. I don't have CapCut, so you can actually use your InShot or CapCut to do this properly. So you come here, new. I'm just going to click on video and bring in all the videos we have, which is 4 clips. I'll click here. I'm going to choose my aspect ratio to be 16:9. So let's play and see. So those part that is not necessary is what we are going to be cutting out.
See this girl, flat.
I made your favorite. You don't even look at me anymore.
Amara, must everything be a problem?
I'm your wife.
And I provide, don't I? And I provide, don't I?
So I'm just going to go ahead and save this. We have cut out some of the excesses that we don't want from this video, guys. So let's head over to our gallery and see the video we just saved. All right, imagine we have 30, 10, 20, so we have to cut out some of the parts. So what we are left with just 25 seconds. So let's play it and see.
See this girl. See this girl, flat stomach, just 3 months after birth.
I just had a baby, David.
I'm just saying you should try harder.
I saw the messages.
So now you're spying?
You're cheating on me.
Maybe if you didn't look like this, I wouldn't have to.
I carried your child.
So have you seen this video is about postpartum depression? After the woman give birth, the husband want her to get her body back quickly within 3 months of still breastfeeding the baby, and this is where all these things coming from. It's just that I'm not doing a it's just that it's not the story stuff, but I've shown you guys how everything turned out to when she started at gym, how everything turned out to be. But this is just to show you how you can use this to create your video of 10 minutes by doing the extend part and all of those stuff like that. So let me know in the comments how you see this video. Is the character, have you seen how consistent? Let me know. I don't need to ask because I've seen that the characters are all consistent. You can see it yourself. And also let me know what you think about this.